Hello student, today I am taking new lecture on transportation in plants. You know that transportation is a very important part of our life. Why? Because by the transportation the nutrients are transferred in different part of the body of the organism. So transportation is a life process. Transportation also take place inside of the plant, but plant do not have as like a circulatory system of human beings. They have some important organs by which the transportation takes place inside of the plant. Like animals, plants lack interstitial fluid and circulatory system. Even then, plants have to transport various type of substances like oxygen, carbon dioxide, water, minerals, hormone, and photosynthetic product and organic solute. Plants take in simple compound such as CO2 and photosynthetic energy stored in their leaves. Other kind of raw materials needed for building plant body will also have to take in separately. For plants, soil is the nearest and richest source of raw minerals like nitrogen, phosphorus and other materials. The absorption of these substances therefore occurs through roots. So you have watched that the transportation inside of the plant takes place by the presence of a special type of tissues. These tissues are collectively called vascular bundle, right? The transportation inside of the plant take place by the presence of one special type of tissue. This is called vascular bundle, right, or vascular tissue. Vascular bud is used for those tissues and organs which participate in the transportation, right? So circulatory system in human beings is also known as vascular system, right? This vascular system and vascular bundle is a type of complex permanent tissues. This complex permanent tissues or vascular bundle is made up of xylem and phloem. It means xylem and phloem, both the tissues participates in the transportation of different substances inside of the plant. So first we will understand about the xylem. Xylem is a part of vascular bundle and it presents in throughout the part of the plant body. It is also known as wood of the plant, right? And it is a complex permanent tissue. So xylem help or participate in the transportation of water and minerals from root to tip part of the plant, right? Root to tip part of the plant, the water and minerals both are transported with the help of xylem, right? Xylem is made up of four type of cells or component. These four type of components are following. Number 1, xylem trachete, xylem vessels, xylem parenchyma, xylem fiber or sclerenchyma. These four type of components combine together and form complex tissue. This is called xylem. This xylem help in the transportation of water and minerals. Both are present inside of the soil. So these minerals are dissolved inside of the water. Then after this water is absorbed by the root hairs present in the roots. Then these water along with the minerals enter inside of the xylem. Then this xylem transport this water to the tip part of the plant, right? So the first transportation takes place by the xylem. Second, phloem. It is also a complex permanent tissue, a type of complex permanent tissue and a part of vascular bundle. It participates in the transportation of organic substances like glucose and plant hormone from root to tip or tip to root, both the direction, right? Phloem is also part of complex permanent tissue. It participates in the transport of organic substances. It helps in the transportation of organic substance. Organic means those substances which have carbon and which are made up of carbon are called organic substances, like glucose and some plant hormones which are glucose is formed in the leaves of the plant due to the presence of chloroplast. So it transport from tip to root part, means upward to downward direction. And plant hormones also formed by the mesenchymal tissues are formed present in the tip part of the plants. It also transport in different directions. So it means phloem help in the transportation of organic substances in both the direction, upward to downward and downward to upward. And it is also made up of 4 components, which are following. Number 1, seed tube. Number 2, companion cell. Number 3, phloem parenchyma. Number 4, phloem or sclerenchyma. Right, these are the 4 components of phloem. All these 4 type of cells combine together and form phloem, right? So this tissue help in the transportation of organic substances, and xylem help in the transportation of water and minerals. Okay, thank you. I will take next lecture, and then I will teach you some important topic of life process.